In this video, I'll show you how to check device health, stay connected, and stay in control with real time insights. Smart devices shouldn't fail without warning. With device health, you can monitor signal strength, connectivity status, and overall device performance in real time. Instantly spot weak Wi Fi, poor placement, or network issues before they disrupt your home. Instead of guessing or replacing devices unnecessarily, you get clear insights to fix problems faster and keep everything running smoothly. Now, I'll show you how to check device health. Open the Home Automation app. Tap on Settings in the bottom menu. Select Devices. Select the room and choose your device. Tap on Device Health. You'll instantly see signal strength, live details, and all device activity details. Detect early, fix faster. Smarter homes stay healthier. Thank you.